Ryan's anger was destroying his life. Small things made him explode instantly. Someone cut him off in traffic. He would rage for 30 minutes straight. His coworker made a mistake. Ryan would yell and slam doors. His girlfriend forgot to text back. He would spiral into fury immediately. He hated himself after every outburst. He would apologize and promise to change. "I won't lose control again," he would say. But 2 days later, something tiny would trigger him. The anger would take over completely. He felt like a prisoner to his own emotions. Ryan's relationship suffered badly because of this. His girlfriend was tired of walking on eggshells. His friends stopped inviting him to group events. They were scared of his unpredictable temper. His boss gave him a final warning. "Control yourself or find another job," she said clearly. Ryan tried different things to fix his anger. He punched a boxing bag at the gym. That helped for maybe an hour. He tried breathing exercises from YouTube. They worked until something actually annoyed him. He went to one anger management class. The advice felt too basic and useless. Nothing seemed to help long term. The anger always came back stronger. One evening, Ryan's uncle invited him to watch a pottery class. His uncle taught pottery on weekends. Ryan didn't want to go, but his uncle insisted strongly. "Just come watch for 1 hour," he said. Ryan sat in the back of the studio. He watched people work with wet clay. One student was getting frustrated quickly. Her pot kept collapsing on the wheel. She would slam her hands down angrily. She would restart the process again and again. The clay kept falling apart under her hands. Ryan's uncle walked over to her calmly. "Your clay feels your tension," he said quietly. "Every bit of anger goes straight into it." He sat down at his own wheel. He placed fresh clay in the center. "Watch this," he said to the frustrated student. He pressed too hard on the clay. He moved his hands with jerky, angry motions. The clay wobbled violently on the wheel. It flew off the center immediately. It was completely ruined in seconds. "This is the hot-handed approach," his uncle explained. "Your hands are full of tension and force. The clay reacts to that energy. It can't form properly under hot hands." He cleaned his wheel and started again. This time, he took 3 slow breaths. His shoulders dropped and relaxed. He placed his hands on the clay gently. His movements were smooth and controlled. The clay rose up beautifully. It formed a perfect, tall pot. His hands stayed calm the entire time. "This is the cool-handed approach," he continued. "The clay feels the calm in your hands. It responds to gentle, controlled energy. It forms exactly how you want it to." He looked directly at Ryan in the back. "Anger is the same as hot hands. It destroys everything it touches. Calmness is cool hands. It shapes things the way you want." Ryan felt those words hit him deeply. He realized his anger was like the hot hands. He was destroying everything around him constantly. His relationships, his job, his peace. Everything crumbled under his hot hands. That night, Ryan asked himself a hard question. What if my anger isn't the real problem? What if my anger is just hot hands destroying things? He started to see anger differently. It wasn't something that happened to him. It was something he was doing to everything. The next day, someone cut him off in traffic. Ryan felt the anger start to rise immediately. But this time, he remembered the clay. He imagined his hands getting hot. He imagined destroying the pot on the wheel. He took 3 slow breaths instead. His hands cooled down. The anger didn't disappear completely, but it didn't explode either. His coworker made another stupid mistake at work. Ryan felt his jaw clench tight. His hands started to ball into fists. He pictured the clay wobbling on the wheel. He pictured his uncle's calm, cool hands. He breathed slowly for 10 seconds. The anger stayed manageable this time. Ryan became a cool-handed person. He stopped letting his emotions run hot constantly. He learned to cool his hands before touching anything, before responding to texts, before talking to his girlfriend, before reacting to traffic. He would pause and cool his hands first. The transformation didn't happen overnight. He still got angry sometimes, but now he had a tool. He had the image of hot hands destroying clay. That image stopped him from exploding. He could feel his hands getting hot. Then he could cool them down deliberately. His girlfriend noticed the change within weeks. "You're different now," she said carefully. "You actually pause before reacting." His friends started inviting him out again. His boss stopped giving him worried looks. Ryan had finally learned to master his emotions. The key lesson was simple but powerful. Anger is hot hands destroying everything around you. Calm is cool hands shaping things correctly. You have to choose cool hands every single time. You have to cool down before you touch anything. That pause is everything. I struggled with anger for many years. I would explode at the smallest things constantly. I thought anger just happened to me. I thought I couldn't control it at all. But that was wrong. Anger is something I was doing. The cool hands method changed my life completely. Now when I feel anger starting, I pause. I picture my hands getting hot. I imagine destroying the clay. Then I deliberately cool my hands. I take slow breaths. I wait until I'm calm again. Only then do I respond or act. This tool works because it's visual. You can actually feel your hands getting hot. You can feel them cooling down. It's not abstract advice. It's physical. Your body knows the difference between hot and cool hands. You might struggle with anger right now. You might feel controlled by your emotions. Start practicing cool hands today. Before you text back, before you respond to criticism, before you react to traffic, cool your hands first. Wait until they're calm. Then shape your response carefully. You know someone who loses their temper easily. They're destroying relationships with their hot hands. They need to learn about cool hands. Share this story with them right now. Help them see that anger is a choice. Help them learn to cool down first. That pause can save their relationships.